Have you ever executed a trade only to see the market quickly turn against you, as if some hidden force was always a step ahead? It's not just chance. It's the reality of a market defined by lightning-fast price fluctuations and unpredictable swings. Major players harness advanced AI-powered strategies to capitalize on every millisecond, while many traders are left relying on outdated methods and gut feelings. Imagine if you could view the market through the same lens as these sophisticated algorithms. What if you could decode the underlying signals amidst the chaos? AI doesn't rely on guesswork. It crunches enormous amounts of data to forecast trends and spot hidden patterns that most human traders miss. Every day, the market is in constant motion. Prices can change in an instant as news, earnings, and global events send shockwaves through the system. One moment, you might see a steady trend. The next, sudden spikes or plunges catch you off guard. And it doesn't stop there. Large institutions often use sophisticated algorithms to subtly manipulate market prices, placing retail traders at a significant disadvantage. By the time important news hits the mainstream, the so-called smart money has already positioned itself to benefit from those hidden patterns that are virtually impossible to detect without the power of AI. Take a look at this chart. The blue line represents the overall market index. The red line tracks a human trader's performance, and the green line shows the AI trader's results. Notice how the AI in green consistently outperforms both the human trader and the market over time. This edge comes from leveraging a more advanced approach than the traditional moving average crossover. While most traders rely on slow moving averages and enter too late, after the best opportunity has passed, the AI-driven strategy factors in not only the crossover itself, but also the speed of change, volume surges, and order flow. For example, in a trade setup for stock XYZ, the AI can spot an emerging uptrend 3 bars before most human traders even notice. That early detection translates into a more precise entry, helping the AI trader dodge false breakouts and capitalize on the most profitable moves. The green shaded area you see on the chart highlights the AI's growing advantage, illustrating how these data-driven insights compound over time to create significantly higher returns than traditional methods. So, how can you harness this power? Start by exploring AI-powered trading platforms like ML portfolios that offer advanced analytics. Use these tools to scan for stocks with high probability setups and trust the AI's buy and sell signals to take the emotion out of your decisions. Further, optimize your risk management by adjusting your stop loss and take profit levels based on the AI's confidence scores. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, integrating AI into your strategy can help you trade with greater precision, reduced risk, and improved timing. The truth is, AI is already transforming Wall Street. Over 70% of trades are now driven by algorithms. The real question isn't whether AI will change trading, but whether you'll embrace these tools before the opportunity slips away. So, are you ready to trade smarter, faster, and with more confidence? Get started by following at ML Portfolios for weekly insights. Also, share your thoughts. Would you trust AI to handle your trades? Embrace the future of trading today and transform the way you navigate the market forever.